Just look at this. It's quite captivating. We're here at the Maxon stand looking at precision motors, and we're here with Matthew, who's going to tell us exactly what it is that you're showcasing.
Hi. So what we're looking at here is what we call a Delta robot. So on each of these robotic arms, you have 3 motors and encoders, Maxon motors obviously, and each motor is controlled by one of our drive cards. So you can see in the slot here you've got 3 cards standing up. So this is an example of a high precision positioning system that demonstrates what Maxon motors are actually capable of.
And could you give us an example of how your motors are used?
Our motors are used, to be honest with you, across a whole ranges of industries. So it's aerospace, medical, industrial, robotics, automation, you name it, our products are used in it. So I can't single out one particular industry, but what's very strong in the UK is we have growing medical business and aerospace. The rest is covered by industrial.
And is that an example here in the cabinet here of what industries they're used in?
Yeah, so what's new at this show, you'll see these frameless motors here. These are aimed at the robotic industry, so they're designed to be designed to fit into a very small space and used mainly in joints. So this device here is a hip joint off of a I don't know what you call it really, a exoskeleton, that's what it's called. And inside here you'll find one of these motors, so it's another example of a Maxon system. So it's a motor, gearbox, encoder and controller all put together to provide a system for a customer.
And Maxon even have motors on Mars?
Yes, we do. The very first Mars rover used what was basically a standard brushed DC motor to drive its wheels, very similar in technology to what you see here. And the later Mars rovers are using our brushless technology based around our flat brushless motors.
And what is new? What's new for you? What's next and coming up for Maxon?
Okay, so what's coming up? We'll walk round to this part of the stand here. What we've got inside here is a new range of motors, and these are sterilizable. So these are brushless motors which can be fitted with encoders. And what's new is that a sterilizable encoder. You won't find many encoders that can survive sterilization, but there's one just here. And this is a growing range. It's a modular range aimed mainly at the medical market, but also finding its way into other applications as well.
So why should visitors come and see you at the Maxon stand?
Well, at Maxon, not only do we have our products that you see here and an extensive catalogue, but also with Maxon you get a lot of engineering support. Because these products are they're not unique, but using them you need some unique pieces of understanding about how motors and systems work. And at Maxon we have engineers that understand that and can help customers build a system that does what they want.
And finally, Matt, can you tell us why it's important for you to be here at the Engineering Design Show?
Well, it's important for us because this is where I think customers come. You know, years ago there were big shows and lots of people going to shows all the time. It's not like that anymore, but this one seems to be very specific, aimed at people that are in our industry. So yeah, it's a good place for our customers to come and see this type of product.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for joining us. Okay.